Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the fuse guys for the heated steering wheel is located. If your heated steering wheel doesn't work, check that fuse. You have a special fuse. Some of you assume it's connected with the heated seats. It is not guys, you have a special fuse for that. We'll explain where it's located and also make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how to test that fuse as well. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan guys on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the footwell, you can see that fuse box right here. Remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So what we guys did, we actually took a picture of the fuse box. As we said, we showed you where it's located inside, but now we can see with a great detail all the fuses. Otherwise it's practically impossible to stick the camera in that little bitty hole, get light at the same time and be able to show you which fuse is for that heated steering wheel. So if you look at it guys, this is your fuse box. That's what it looks like. So you need to come now to row number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you need to come down guys to the second fuse, which is that 15 amp fuse right here. That 15 amp fuse is for the heated steering wheel. If your heated steering wheel doesn't work, check that fuse. Also we'll have a video how to test the switch for the heated steering wheel as well. All that will be published on the channel very soon. Always guys, test the fuse. Never assume it's a good fuse, because if you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you're going to spend money and time to fix your car when all you had to do, test the fuse, find out it's bad. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to test it. It takes only a few seconds, and if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.